Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I was so excited when Colourpop came out with the Wine and Only collection. Now my favorite Colourpop shadow on the wine side is X's and O's. And you remember X's and O's? And it was just like everything. But when I saw this, I knew I had to be there. So let me just show you quickly what I purchased. So of course the gorgeous eye palette, can't wait to dive into this. The Super Shock Cheek in Cruel Intentions. The two Super Shock eyeshadows in Wind Down and Muse. And I had to have the liquid liner in Wine Not. It's all so gorgeous and I cannot wait to get started. So let's go ahead and prime the eye in P. Louise makeup base in Rumor 3. I think I'm going to start here with Mull It Over. I mean, first swipe through. Look at that. So let's add a little bit of Major Chianti to this. I can't decide between Wind Down and Muse. Oh, this is so tough. Oh, somebody help me, help me. I'm gonna go ahead and take Wind Down. And now let's kind of smoke things up with Venter. Now there's quite a bit of matte-ness going on here, and that can be really nice. But I think I'm going to take some of these shimmer shades, and that's what I love about Colourpop. They give you all these wonderful finishes. I think the name is Cast and Chateau. Not quite sure. But this color right here, let's take some with the finger and dab it right on into the middle of this lid. Perfect touch. So let's go back to the palette and we'll do some Major Chianti under the eye. And let's take Muse and put that in the inner corner. It was a bit stronger than I anticipated. We're going to get another brush to blend that out. Okay, I pray this guy is going to hold up to these really strong eyeshadow colors. It wasn't quite as dark as I wanted, guys, so I'm going to go over with another pen liner. I'm going to take the Flower Get Real foundation. Next, the Huda Overachiever Concealer in Peanut Butter. Chanel Loose Powder. I'm going to moisten a beauty blender with some of the Mario Badescu setting spray, and I love this. This is so multi-purpose, guys. So while we bake, let's finish up the eyes. So let's take some lashes from my site, colorrelation.com. We're going to do number 100. PX Look Lip Pencil in Burgundy. To finish this look, let's take the Colourpop Luxe Velvet in Ingenue. So the Wine and Only collection might be a new favorite for me. I still love my X's and O's though, honey. But this is really very, very nice. Please feel free to leave a comment, and please, guys, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Take care, have a blessed day, and just stay blessed.